Are you tired of the nasty white silicone and wax residue left from low-quality dashboard polishes, or the ugly white halos of abrasive pasta left when they polish your bodywork? If you try to left them with a degreaser, you fade the color of the plastic. If you add more dashboard polish, after a few days, you will have ever more white residue. But now you have an alternative. Taking advantage of the degreasing characteristics of the silicone-free RS multifunction plastic renewer, you can remove the white residues left by other plastic renewers and renew the original color at the same time. The finish is immediately waterproof and will be dry to the touch after absorption, with the most longer duration of effect never obtained before from any competitor's product, resistant to aggressive cleaner, detergents, degreasers, and solvents. RS is a patented product with unique characteristics that you cannot find in any competing products. You can order it on the Blacktraction website and receive it comfortably at home, but you can't find it on platforms like Amazon.